Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review a very unique product, Bid Proposal. Bid Proposal is all-in-one business proposal and contract management suite that help you to create professional video proposals which include the legal contract for your client to sign and seal the deal. As many people avoid face-to-face contact and they are looking for some contactless business solution, but personal touch is very much required in business to create your proposal and to take it to your client and make him to sign and seal the deal. So in this case, this software is very helpful. So you can create custom business proposal from various template available, or you can create from scratch also. You can add the graphics, text, video that can be recorded right from this app. You can include the e-signature here in your proposal, and here you will be notified when your client open the contract and sign it. Even you can review your written contract at any time. You can create proposal for local business and charge them. So here you can create your own video proposal agency platform also, and you can run that business also. So and you can able to generate hundreds of qualified leads from this software with their free tools. Bid Proposal allow you offer your personal touch being socially distanced. As in study, it has been observed that with personal presentation, there is a better chances to convert your deal as compared to simple email. So for this product, I have a great offer for you. I will give you bonuses from my side. If you purchase this product through my link, you will get bonus from my side as well as the vendor bonuses also you will get. So that link is already there in description. You just go through that link. You just click that link. So now to review this, we are going to review this product. So I will take you one by one through my bonus page, members area, and sales page. So let's start the review. So as I mentioned, you will get the various attractive bonuses if you purchase this product through my link. So I'll take you through my bonuses. So this is bonus number 1. This is the tutorial and introduction to affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is a vast subject. So this tutorial you will learn what is exactly the affiliate marketing, what hacks to be used to success in affiliate marketing. Everything is given here and you can learn everything about affiliate marketing. And bonus number 2, so how to get unique content for your pages. So this is tutorial. In this tutorial you will know how to create unique content without writing any word. So you will get at ready-made content to grow your business. And my bonus number 3 is crazy traffic explosion. As you all aware that for any online market business, traffic is very important. So here in this bonus tutorial you will get all the hacks how to increase traffic for your niche, for your campaign. So you will get free unlimited traffic on your website or on your pages. And my 4th bonus is how to explode your YouTube channel. So in this tutorial you get to know how to grow your YouTube channel. You learn how to find best keyword and how to rank your videos. Video means to increase your business. So entire thing, how to grow your business through YouTube. You will get all the learning, step by step learning from this tutorial. And my 5th bonus is that you will get all the vendor bonuses along with my bonuses as well. So you will get all these bonus once you click on the link which is given in the description. It will redirect you to the JVZoo page. So there you will get all these bonus whatever I have mentioned here. So you will get all these bonus with your product. Let's move to the member area. Now I'll take you to the member area. So once you log in this page will come. So here you can see the dashboard. So you can click on this dashboard. So there are various proposals. Means actually from this software you can create various proposal contract for your client. You can create proposal directly from scratch. So here you will be provided with the Chrome extension. So you can create your proposal and contract, personalized contract through this webcam or screen share or combination of the both. So you can create your proposal from here, and then you can send it to your client for his signature and seal. You can use the various template. The various template is also given here. Some ready-made templates is given, so you can use that ready-made template proposal to send to your client. So I will go through these ready-made templates. So other method is that through this template also you can send your video proposal and contract to your client. There are various ready-made template is here for like car rental, various niches that is already created here, like car rental, carpenter, for doctor, hair salon. So these are the templates which is already given here in this software, and you can create your own template as well. As I have already told you, with the help of that webcam, you can create your own template, your own proposal, video proposal and contract, and you can use any of these templates. So these are the template. Here you can preview that template and get that template also. I click the preview. So these are the preview for this car rental contract. So this first some intro video is given so that they will understand what exactly this product and everything is there and what services you are providing. And these are that contract, that written contract is there so that your client can go through this contract. Document is open now. So this type of is actually that client can go through this your video about your product and proposal. Then here the proposal is there, your contract is there. So here you can edit this price, you can change this price as per your requirement. You can change the price, you can even add any condition or terms, whatever you want to add. You can add, you can change this content also. You can add any embedded link here. You can add any graphics, any video here. So that flexibility is there to change this contract. And then once you created this, you can send this contract to your client. Now next thing, you can share this proposal through the here, and you can share this proposal through this link, or you can upload it on your website. So you can copy this URL and you can upload that in your website. You can share some link here, and you can put some call to action here. So you can put some thumbnails, add thumbnails. You can edit this document, and one unique function is that you can add this signature, enable the signature. So you can send this through. Once that customer is signed, get that document, he received it through your mail also. You have setting here so that your customer will get the document to mail. And for e-signature also there is a one provision so that your client can go through that proposal and he can sign and seal the document. You can create thank you page here also, thanks note here. You can enable password also to your proposal here, that you can be created as a password protected. And so here e-signature, once your customer gone through the document, he can sign the document, so that on mail you can send. At the same time, this on PDF also this document is generated, so that once I've created this e-signature. So your client can put his name and he can sign here. Once he signed this document, then you can create a PDF document so that no one can be changed that later on. So this is new generation software. There are here unique way of proposal and your contract is given so that digitally you can sign you can send your proposal and sign and seal your proposal from client. Third, one more unique feature is given with this app. This app will help you to find your prospectus. If you have your prospect, then well and good. But if you don't have any prospect, then in this app, with the help of this app called Lead Gen app, you can find various customer through their lead generator app. So you can target this various niche as per the city, and then you can send your proposal to this client, video proposal. You can create your video proposal and you can share with this client to generate the business. So these are the various features of this software. So this is very unique software. So this is the review from my side for this software. So this is the unique new generation software which allows you to share video proposal and contract to your client and get it signed and sealed and close the deal. So this will help you to grow your business. There are various niches given in the app so that you can use and you can create your own video proposal as well. So now I'll take you through this sales page. So these are the key features. So the software is 100% newbie friendly, and this software is fully cloud-based software. You can create unlimited professional video proposal for your client to sign and close the deal. So there are so many ready-made proposal template is already given, or even you can create your own proposal. You can edit the proposal which is already given. You can use the template proposal and you can edit, put your own link, thumbnails as well. You can host all your proposal on the cloud. You can create your custom thank you page. So in this built-in video creator allow you to record using camera, screen or both. So you can insert your call in action inside video. So you can get notified when client views the contractor or when he signed the contract. You will get the commercial license, sale video proposal. So you can create your own business to create such a video proposal and share with your client and provide your service. So I will go only main points of this sales page. If you want to go through in detail, the link is already given in my description. So you just click on that link. It will take you to sales page. You can now I just highlight the main point only. So I'll discuss with you only price part and key benefit, key features only. Now day by day in business, the uses of video proposal is increasing. You can see in this graph, day by day it is increasing. So this is new age software. From vendor side also you will get some amazing bonus. That bonus number 1, making 6-figure with video proposal. So here in this tutorial, everything is explained how with the help of this video proposal, how you generate consistent income. Bonus number 2, local upsell. This tutorial you learn all about your upsells. Bonus number 3, that in that bonus number 3, Facebook training is given how to find your local clients. This is exclusive Facebook training which will teach you to find clients in any city. So here is the comparison between bid proposal and other service provider which provide the same services. Here you can simply see how beneficial this bid proposal. See, all these service providers, they are providing monthly subscription charges, so you have to pay every month. But here one time cost is there and you will get the same features, even I can say the more feature than them. So this will be very beneficial and great deal for you. So you can go through in detail when you check this sales page, check out the prices of the software. This basic cost you around $37, whereas this Elite, this is limited offer. You will get in same price of basic, that is for $37. You have to pay only one time. You can create up to 30 proposal per month, including 24 niche template is already given. You can store up to 100 videos. You can use the template, or you can start from scratch. You can create your own video. You can add integrated e-signature. You can collect your client signature. You will get the notification once client go through it and sign it. You can generate 100 leads per day with dedicated lead gen app, which is provided with the software. You can add your thank page. You will get notification when your proposal is viewed. You will get hundreds of template. You can download this specific contract in PDF as well. So you will get free upgrade commercial license as well. So yeah, apart from this, you will get all three vendor bonuses as well, my bonuses, and that is all benefit you will get. You have to pay only once. That is only $37. So here 14 days money back guarantee also given. If you don't like the product, you can avail this 14 days money back guarantee. So this is all about this Vid Response software. So guys, this is review from my side for Vid proposal. Hope this review is helpful to you. If you want to purchase this product, link is already given in the description. So if you purchase through my link, you will get the bonus from my side, as well as you will get the bonus from vendor side also. So both bonus you will get if you purchase through my link. So link is already given in description. So I'll come up with more upcoming review videos. So do visit my channel, subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you. Thank you very much.